Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can open summer seed pack and plant it in your garden and grow a garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. After you got the summer seed pack from Summer Harvest, or after you buy the summer seed pack, you can go to this menu and then you're going to go to the seed items category here. Okay, and click on the summer seed pack, and then you will hold the summer seed pack on your hand, and then you can click anywhere to open it. Okay, and let's see what we got. Oh my god, I get cantaloupe seed. Okay, and then I'm going to try to plant the cantaloupe seed. So the seed is here, and then I'm going to plant it here. You can find a location to plant the seed, and I'm going to plant it here. Okay, and we just need to wait until this seed grow. Okay guys, and that's all the way to open summer seed pack and plant it in our garden and grow a garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!